Let's walk through the steps of installing new exterior vinyl board and batten shutters. This video is the second in a two-part series that starts with measuring for vinyl board and batten shutters. These installation instructions are only for board and batten shutters. Louvered, raised panel, and combination styles will use a slightly different installation technique featured in a separate video. To proceed, you will need several basic tools. Additional resources may be required. Unpack and lay the shutters face up on a table or workbench. The shutters are hollow on the back, but gain great rigidity when secured permanently to the building. Begin by drilling a 1/4-inch hole at the center of the intersection of each horizontal batten and outside vertical board. Drill holes at all additional intersections on open weave shutters only. Hold the shutter in position at the edge of the window. A level may be used to ensure proper alignment. Use an awl, narrow screwdriver, or marker to indicate the mounting hole locations on the building. Drill a 1/8 inch diameter hole, 1 3/4 inches deep, at each of the marked points. Replace the shutter, align the holes, and insert the mounting screws in the 4 corners of the shutter. A power drill may be used initially to tighten the screws. However, only a handheld Phillips screwdriver should be used to secure the screw head against the shutter face. Avoid over-tightening the screws, as this may depress the shutter surface and cause damage. Screws are best to adhere vinyl shutters to wood exteriors, but can also work in conjunction with other siding. The screw head is painted to match the shutter color. To install shutters to brick, stone, or fiber cement siding, use a 5/16 inch masonry bit to drill a hole 1 3/4 inches deep. Insert a number 10 screw anchor and tap flush with a hammer. Secure the remaining screws using the same method. Repeat this process for the opposite side shutter, and the installation is complete. Shutterland is committed to helping you select the best exterior shutters for your windows. Visit us at shutterland.com to view our full range of styles and materials, along with detailed specifications, pricing, and ordering. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for great tips and helpful information about exterior shutters.